How to hide chat on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to hide chats on Instagram. Now, to hide or lock your chat on Instagram, there isn't a direct way such as other application, but there's a couple of alternative options available, such as using a vanish mode for disappearing messages, or restricting a chat, or maybe moving to a general for a professional account. Now then, to begin with, you just need to open up your Instagram application. Make sure the app is completely up to date. After which, you could tap on the DMs icon from the top of the page. And let's say I'm just gonna go ahead and hide the chat from this particular person, alright? So what I need to do is, first of all, open the following chat page. And then you just need to click on their profile. And you wanna go ahead and click on privacy and safety. So when you go to the privacy and safety, first of all, you could go ahead and maybe restrict the following person. And when you need the following person to contact, you just need to unrestrict them by going to their profile, do the same thing. And that is how you could restrict. And this way you could also hide the chat, or maybe consider locking a chat as well. The other thing what you can also do is using a vanish mode. So while texting a secret message, you could just use a vanish mode. So to enable the vanish mode, you just need to click on their name once again, and there you have this disappearing messages. Maybe you could toggle the button for maybe once they're seen, and then you could just go ahead and send a message, and when they see the message, and it's gonna be disappeared. So this way you could hide chat on Instagram. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.